God damn, that bike's so sexy, dude. Oh man, that's a sexy bike. This is the Yamaha R3 2015. I got this bike. It is currently Thursday, and I got the bike on Saturday. So, yeah, I've had the bike not very long. And man, is it fun already. Oh, man. Alright, let's get her underway, right? I've got pretty much zero riding experience. All I've done is the California motorcycle safety program, which was very, very helpful actually. I would recommend anybody to go and do that, and it was fun. I mean, even like I used to race cars my entire life. Basically, I have a history with speed, and I already know how to shift and rev match and all that stuff. So I never had a problem like riding a bike. I just never really rode a bike. So my first time ever being on a bike was at the California motorcycle safety program. We'll call it CMSP from now on. And at CSMP, they gave me a little Yamaha DR200, a little dirt bike, which personally, I think that was perfect for me to start on, because the clutch was, it had a huge friction zone, where I was able to ease out of the clutch, because I've never used the clutch for my hand before. Obviously, driving cars, the clutch is for your left foot. But yeah, it's really cool. It was a great bike to start on, and I rode it for about 10 hours. They taught me, you know, all the little nuances on how to lean and counterweight and all that stuff, which was very, very helpful. Now I've got my license. Am I still recording? No, I'm not. I don't think I am. Yes, I am. Wow, alright, this dude's getting out of the car. Or lady. What? I wonder what she's doing. But you can technically lane split. There's no rule against it, but there is also, again, no rule saying that it's okay at the same time. So, not really stated yes or no, which means that technically it is legal. Look at that green car. I don't even know what that thing is. It's a Nissan something. Old school, like 1989 or early 1990s. And he wasn't even paying attention to it. He like took off so late. Oh, that's a, what in the hell? That's a Mazda. I don't know what kind of Mazda that is. That's an ugly ass car though, man. So we're going to my mom's work real quick. Just need to talk to her, say hi. Also, I figured it'd be a nice little destination to go to for my first moto vlog. I'm super excited to see how this turns out. Ricadana Salon. It's like the nicest salon ever, dude. Hey, look at that, fellow biker. I'll park next to him. Hi, self. How you doing? Hi. Hi. My first vlog. Yeah, I got my mic today. So this is my mom.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm so proud of my son.
That's weird. I'm just a weird kid who rides a motorcycle in the middle of the day in California in August, because that's what all smart, normal kids do, right? Oh, look at that. There's a little parking spot right here for me. This is perfect. Yep. I need CDs. I need compact discs. Here we go. Cool deal, man. So I don't need anything too expensive. Look at this. Freaking $50 almost for pack of CDs. To get where I'm going. Hi. Oh, oh, do they fit? Yes, they do. I think they do. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. I can fit DVDs in my glove box. I need a backpack. I used to have a camel pack, but that got accidentally thrown away. It's probably low 90s today, which, yes, that's still hot. But, however, the entire week leading up to today, and I don't know if I've already said, but today's Thursday. The entire week leading up to today, from Saturday all the way to Wednesday, it has been well over 100 degrees. Yesterday it hit about 110, I believe. The day before was like 108, 109. And yeah, you guys get the pattern. It's a little hot. So today, with the low 90s, it's a huge relief. Oh yeah, something, something, something. The only word I know is motoring. Dun 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 dun. 'Cause we're motoring. Life, something, something, something. So guys, for all those who do watch, I'd be super interested to see where you guys live. Just to see like the viewers that I do have. Probably all 5 or 10 of you at the moment. But go ahead and leave a comment down below on where you live, or like generally. You don't have to tell me your exact address. Let's go. That's not too bad. 68. My truck can go 75 though, around there. So I gotta try and beat my truck. What's up, dude? Yeah, fuck you too. Huh? Huh? Oh, okay.
I wasn't calling you baby, I promise you.
You were calling me baby. I know. It's okay. It's okay, man. You can express your love for me. All right, guys. Hopefully that was a good video.